Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel. In this video friends, I am going to show guys Oppo mobile setting, and today video title is guys Oppo mobile guys app shortcut setting. And in this video we will talk about how to hide app name. Friends, you want to hide app name in Oppo mobile. So friends, now let's see how to hide app name one by one, step by step we will talk about. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon, like the video guys. So friends, in your Oppo mobile, how to hide app name one by one we will talk about. Friends, you don't want to show Oppo mobile app name. Example, you don't want to show your setting app name, you want to remove. So how to remove and how to hide. Open your device phone setting. After turn phone setting friends, open your device, personalize setting, theme setting, wallpaper setting you can use. Friends, if you click here color setting, so you can set your UI color, you can change your Oppo mobile UI color you want to use. So you can set and you can change. Example friends, I will set here orange color. So friends, you can see your iQOO mobile UI color will change. Friends, if you click here app layout settings, so friends you can use your Oppo mobile app layout, row and column you want to change. So friends, you can change row and column in Oppo mobile. Friends, click here icon style setting. First of all friends, you can change your icon style. You want to change icon style, if you click here your icon style will change. You want to use your default style, so you can use your default style. Icon size, right side you can increase Oppo mobile icon size, left side you can decrease icon size. Friends, scroll down here. Friends, click here app name. Right side you can increase your app name. Extra large size you want to decrease, so you can decrease. App name you can increase and you can decrease. So friends, if you click here first option, so friends you can check hidden. Your app name will hide. Your app name will not show in your Oppo mobile. Friends, you can check. App name will not show. So friends, you want to hide app name in Oppo mobile. So friends, you want to hide, so you can hide app name in Oppo mobile. And you want to show app name in Oppo mobile. How to show app name? Again, open your phone setting, scroll down here, open your phone icon style setting, and friends click here app name. First option is small, default, medium, large and extra large. So friends, you can check your app name will show. Settings, share me app, YouTube app, Ucut app, Python Studio app, phone app, Photos app, Play Store app, Music app, Google app, Gmail app. And again you want to hide, so friends click here first option, hidden, and friends you can check your app name will hide. Google app, Music app, Gmail app, your app name will hide. So friends, you want to hide and you want to show app name in Oppo mobile, so you can hide and you can show. So bye friends, thanks for watching the video. Do you have doubt, have any problem in Oppo mobile settings? So friends, you can ask me in comment section, I will check, I will help you. Bye bye friends.